Delusional self-belief. That is literally the only thing that you need, especially in the beginning. Guys, when I was a detective, I didn't quit that job because I was making 7 figures. I didn't quit that job because I started a side hustle and it exploded overnight. I quit that job, threw away the prestige that comes from being on the agency's version of the SWAT team, the sniper team, and the detective title. I threw all that away because I sold a couple products on Amazon. And I said, fuck this. I'm going all in on me and this business. I dreaded where I was at that point, and I said, I will figure this out no matter what. How delusional do you have to be to come from no money, no business background, never even knew somebody who ever even tried to start a business? You sell a couple products on Amazon and you quit your entire job. But what happens when you have that level of self-belief, and specifically with this mentality that it's like my mantra that I've had since as long as I can remember of, I will figure it out no matter what. I'll figure it out. Essentially, it rewires your brain to laser in on solutions. I still deal with the same problems you guys deal with. I still deal with the same setbacks that you guys deal with. It's just my brain is rewired to look for the solution. Right, so I just had an interview, a client success interview with Amit. He just hit a 13K month. He's like, man, the biggest thing that I got from you was that you were so quick to just look for the solution. It didn't matter what change happened. It didn't matter the problem that we were facing or what I was freaking out about. You're like, okay, what's the solution? All right, and then you would give me the solution, or we would work through the solution, or whatever it was. And essentially, he's like, after I started kind of adopting that mentality, he's like, that's when I really started to grow because I wasn't so scared. I wasn't so fearful and scarce about what was the next thing that I needed to do. And you have to realize that it's not Amazon holding you back. It's not whatever thing that you're chasing, whether it's YouTube or client work or making money online in whatever field you're in. That's the changes and the issues on those platforms or whatever. That's not what's holding you back. Yeah, sure, these changes happen, but everyone across the board is dealing with those changes. And if everyone across the board is dealing with those changes and there's still people who are consistently succeeding in what you're trying to do, that means you're doing something wrong. But realistically, the biggest thing that's holding you back is just yourself. You are literally in your own way, in your mind. Because what 99% of people do, it's not the I'll figure it out mentality and level of self-belief. It's more of there's an obstacle, I'm gonna fixate on this obstacle, I'm gonna complain and talk shit to myself about what I'm doing and how bad this obstacle is, that this obstacle becomes this obstacle. And now that it's such a bigger obstacle, it is impossible for us to move past it because now it's become so big. Because our default setting is not to look for solutions. Our default setting is now to complain and make these problems even bigger. And you're literally just essentially anchoring yourself in place. So even if you try to make that forward progress, there's so much friction in the process that it's gonna be damn near impossible unless you change your way of thinking, unless you change your perspective. Because let me tell you what, I work with a lot of people and I've worked with so many people over the years. This path of like fixating on the problems and not focus so much on the solutions is literally what 99% of people are doing. And I'm pretty confident that if you're watching this, you don't want the results of the 99%. So if we don't want the results of the 99%, we should probably stop acting, thinking, and behaving in a manner that is aligned with the 99%. And your first step to changing that is having delusional self-belief that you will figure it out. And it doesn't matter where you apply this in your life, it is only to your benefit. Why would I allow myself to indulge in thoughts, habits, and beliefs that are not going to serve me? If anything, they are literally just gonna hold me back. But this is why I lean so heavy into the mentality. Guys, tactics are everywhere. I've said this for so long. Tactics are everywhere. You can go to ChatGPT, give me a play-by-play how to do this. Why are there so many people who are struggling to even get their first sale? I love the weight loss example. Hey, ChatGPT, give me a weight loss plan. Why do we still have so many people that are fat? It's because it's not just about the tactics. I don't know how many times I have to say that for people to actually believe me. But guys, I tried so many other things. I tried so many other things. I tried growing Instagram theme pages. I tried SEO. I tried other YouTube channels. I tried a fitness business. I tried a bunch of different business models. I tried dropshipping, affiliate marketing, so many things, but it wasn't until I found Amazon FBA. And the reason I was able to make it work, yes, it's a simple business for us to start, but the biggest reason why I was able to make it work was because I had delusional self-belief that I would figure this out no matter what. So then it wasn't I'm halfway in, halfway out. Maybe if this will work out, I'm gonna try, I'm gonna give it my best effort. It wasn't that. It was, I'm gonna figure this out no matter what. It didn't matter what was going on in my life. It didn't matter what obstacles were presented in front of me. It didn't matter if 100 suppliers told me no. It didn't matter if I went through 1,000 products and I didn't find a single profitable item. I was gonna figure this out no matter what. And if you have ever locked in any area of your life, whether it's getting rid of vices or habits, or maybe with your fitness or in school or in your career, and you have noticed the difference between I'm 100% in and I'm 90% in, that 10% makes all the difference. That 10% separates the 99% of people and the results that they get and the 1% of people and the results that they get. Because as soon as you leave a little crack open in the door, you allow way too much space for things that do not serve you, whether it's thoughts, actions, or beliefs. And if you allow those thoughts, actions, and beliefs to stay present, it's gonna make it really fucking hard to succeed. Like damn near impossible. If I was able to figure this business out, if I was able to completely change my life to the point where I am completely financially free, I can come and go and we can travel whenever we want. I have absolute time freedom, location freedom, and work freedom. I can work literally 1 hour a day if I want to. And I don't say that to brag. I just say that for the contrast. The contrast of when I was working at the sheriff's office and I lived to work. Literally, when you're in that field, you are living to work. Yes, you have one day off a week, and the other day off, you're dreading about the upcoming work week. But I am pretty much, my life revolves around work. Going from that to absolute freedom while being able to give my family a life that I could only dream of, it's attributed to one thing: delusional self-belief. That is hands down the biggest reason why I didn't quit when others would have and did, why I was able to make it work when I have so many other friends and family who have wanted to start a business and they started with such better positions than when I started, but I was able to make it work and they weren't able to make it work. I didn't have the most resources starting. I definitely wasn't the smartest. I definitely wasn't the fastest learner. And I made so many mistakes along the way. And sometimes I still sit here and I'm like, I can't even believe that this is my life, when just a few short years ago, I was miserable where I was. I felt like it was draining the life out of me. And this, like how my life looks now, it's more than even what I dreamt of. Like when I started the business, I was like, I'm good if I just make my yearly income. And now life looks so insanely different. And a few short years ago, delusional self-belief, guys. That's all I can say. I'm literally giving you the blueprint, the mental blueprint, the mental frameworks that you need to find all the success that you need. I already give you all the tactics, all the tutorials that you need. You just simply need to pair it with these mindset lessons and you literally have the blueprint right in front of you.